Close your eyes. So watch you do the Macarena somewhere out by Pasadena. Love a drug that everybody here just trying to get a taste of. You a waste of the space that you take up. Living this time around.
Hey everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio, and we are about to knock another one out. 2024 Chevy Silverado. This is about as base as it gets. I haven't even seen one like this. Doesn't even have steering wheel controls. But client not happy with the sound, so we're just gonna do a real simple upgrade. We're gonna amplify the front stage with the Match UP4 DSP. I'm kind of excited, haven't got to use that yet. And we're just gonna couple it with a Triton 100.1 using a single shallow sub under the seat. So real simple upgrade, should make all the difference in the world in this stock Chevy. So stay tuned.
I be feeling like a needle to these young kids. You had the world, you about to leave it to these young kids, and we gon' show you what the love is.
Stay high, don't fall what you know. Let it in your mentality, don't ever let it go.
It won't stop.
You can't fight the feeling.
Normally, if this was amplified, the factory amp would be in this location, but that is not the case. So we're going to utilize that spot to put our amplifiers there. So we've got our aluminum mounted using rivet certs into this frame right here, so we're not going through the cab of the vehicle. I know a lot of you guys like shooting screws all the way through, and I get it, it works, but it doesn't look good, right? So yeah, we're gonna get that mounted. We're gonna take our Match 4. That's gonna just mount right up there, and then we'll start running our wires out to their designated location.
Smoking through the night, wake up, do some Tai Chi. Homie, can't you see I'm chilling? Please don't fuck up my cheek. Yeah, my jacket Y3. Recently been up on fashion. Waste a bunch of money, kinda stinks of satisfaction. Fell asleep at Hollywood, woke up in Manhattan. Ballin' like I'm Jordan, but I'm fresh as Mars Black. Man, a penny for your thoughts, $1 for your dreams, a price on an idea we never can agree. They tell you what to know, but it's better to believe. So why you tryna act like what you never gonna be? Still I tell them, fuck what you know, I'm feeling comfortable. Just continue living life, cause enough of them don't. You spent your days counting every single penny made.
So normally, they send you these little cheap ones when you're doing digitizers. I don't use them. They work great for spoons.
Anyways, yeah, Macadelic. It ain't never gonna stop, cause you can't fight the feeling. No. You can't fight the feeling. I told you it won't stop, cause you can't fight the feeling. You can't fight the feeling, no.
Sometimes I wake up in the morning, makeup, wrap this much the makeup off my bitch. Soon as she's on it, take up hours on days just to find power shit to say, but you won't hear it, even if your ears was pissed with.
All right, everybody, so that is it for our 24 Silverado, and as you can see, we already got our next in line, this beautiful 20 Challenger RT. So you guys need anything from audio, window tint, vinyl decals, you name it, we'll do it. Come on by and see us.
I know soul is soul and you're hopeless. My focus, stare at eloping on boats that float in the open of oceans that coast the line on the margins. I rhyme with choking or soaking up game. I'm hoping you pick the second one. Shame the emotion of jealousy that you're holding. You're telling me that you're golden, but really cubic zirconian. Let me see. I'll break you down like a pound of.
Oh, hey, we're live.
Oh, okay. Hey, everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio, and we are about to knock another one out, as you can just tell.